everyone. Right now, there's a lot going on, and I'm making this video so you're fully aware of what's to come this upcoming week. Guys, this is a really big one. So, bullish news, the latest updates right now. Solana on the XRP price a little bit, but extreme greed. But you feel like prices are not really moving much, like the ones that we talk about on the channel. But the whole market, especially meme coins, which I'm going to show you a few on Solana. Are you ready for the first FOMC meeting? Jerome Powell replying to what Donald Trump, right? The economy is going to be so huge. Strap on, guys. You don't want to miss it. We really want to be live on this one. It's going to be on Wednesday. So, oh, yes. Now, this is a nice symmetrical wedge for the price of Solana. I've been watching Solana for a while, ever since the Trump coin, which happened on Sunday, kind of like everything collapsed because of Melania, yada, yada. Well, it's just been a few days, right? Almost $300 for Solana, guys. Then went all the way down to 228. Now we're at 260 close to, but it means that there's a chance, guys, that we can have a nice breakout. If that's the case, this is the week when everything goes through the roof or to the bottom. I'm just buying the dip, like I'm saying right here. I hope you bought the dip all in or nothing, because we want to make some money, right? So let's have a conversation, everybody. If you're bullish, well, let me know your comments down below. I understand that frustration is at an all-time high. I get that we are seeing so much happening in the last week, this week actually, when it comes to the new government, when it comes to Trump, first day in office, over 200 executive actions. And just yesterday, crypto, right? Executive orders. Where's the pump? Delayed, not priced in, maybe. Yes, more to come. Drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Welcome. Are you seeing buying CR7? That is number 2. Buying. It's gonna be here on Solana. Look at this. $300+ million. I was on X when I saw the two post, the CR7 and the Vine. Did I go in? I didn't, because I wasn't on my phone at that time, and I didn't want to kind of go back into like the Trump era where I was like on my phone all the time, but I knew it was gonna be somewhat relevant because the Vine coin is coming from someone official and the CR7 is like a community one. Why am I kind of like mentioning this, everybody? Well, because, go back to this one, because there's money to be made, especially with talking like Solana, Phantom Wallet. It's like a really great place for you to start swapping really fast. So if you're, because that's how I made some decent money with Trump, which right now it's right here. It's in the 2029, went down all the way. It crashed basically, right? There's a lot of people also trying to pump their backs with Trump. I'm outside of Trump. I'm already out. But some, like this one, may not recover really fast. But there's other ones. Like you have to be catching up the trends, right? If you don't want that, if you're like, nah, Oscar, that's too much for me. I really don't really care much about meme coins. Well, welcome to Solana XCN, which you guys have been telling me so much about. I've been holding, and I'm in the profit with this one, XCN. And also Ondo. Dude, I'm crushing it with Ondo. I have some nice positions, long, some weeks, guys. Let me just open it for you guys, because I mean, I'm telling the truth, and I just want to make sure that you're aware that I'm also trade, because I tell you guys, you'll have the link down below. Ooh, look at that one. You can see that very well. So let me go to the position. The reason why I'm doing this is because you know that, hey, I not only say it, but I execute it, right? And if I come here, $380% on a long 16x. Subscribe to the channel, guys. Turn on those notification bells. Leave your comment down below. I'm making this video so you are aware that bullish is here and that anybody can make money as long as you know how to do it. That's why we're bringing this content, so you wake up that regardless that the price might not be the fanciest for altcoins, there's bullish momentum right now, guys. And this coming week is going to be huge as far as news and the whole market. So if you want to start trading and get ahead of the public and get ahead of the whales, the first link down below is my BTCC account, where you will see this, guys. You already have the code. The only thing you have to do is sign up. 10%, on first time deposits, up to 10,000 welcome bonus per user. The cheaper fees to all my XRP holders. I always remind you of this one because you do have the 500x positions available if you want. So if you're like, I don't have an exchange, well, might as well try this one. Or come to Weeks, which also have this one, right? For my Weeks fam, up to 20,000 welcome bonus. That's me. So you will see my name. It's official, guys. And you already have my code and everything. So join me. I think the time to be bullish is now. I'm already doing it. And that's one. I have more also other different long positions. Crypto Robber is saying this breakout will teleport Ethereum to $5,000. Ethereum has been sleeping for a long time, right? But if you check that out, nice descending wedge. When it finally breaks that price, the idea is that Ethereum will skyrocket, will do really nice. Let's go to Ethereum a little bit, which I have it here. You need to go to the daily to start seeing even the weekly, because that was the weekly chart. I see it. I see it. It's the daily. So here it is. I see it. It's this right here and right here. There it is. That's what he's talking about. See that? So Ethereum looks something. Yeah, it looks something like this. So the goal is probably still consolidate and eventually break out. And once it breaks out to the 3,500, eventually, the price will continue going much higher. That's the goal. So there's meme coins like Pepe. There's meme coins like Bread that are actually losing a little bit because so much competition. But the goal there is that meme coins will also make you some money. Like I mentioned right now with Melania, right? That went even now under $1 million, right? It was so down right now. But hopefully, we'll see how things are going to play out. I did never bought Melania. It was always Trump. Just my 2 cents, right? I also have other different tokens, right, that I'm kind of waiting, for things to change. If I come here to the Bitcoin rainbow chart, and that Bitcoin rainbow chart right here does have the Alcon season index. Let me show it to you. Alcon season index right now. Right now, almost the end of January, it is not an Alcon season where the price, as you can tell, is Bitcoin season at 25, Alcon season at 75. It's said that at the beginning of December, when XRP was going ballistic and other different tokens like Stellar, HBAR, right? Remember, about a month plus ago, things were doing really well. A month after Trump won. So it makes sense that the Alcons were dominating and passing Bitcoin, but now things are come down. When would you like to go in? When Alcons are already up there and you are buying the FOMO, or when things are boring? And I'm showing you the stats that there's an increase of the greed, and also we are somewhat in the middle, not even Bitcoin season, not actually Alcon season, but things are accelerating right now pretty nice. There we have it, everybody. So I'm watching everything. I'm trying to make this video so you're aware of what I'm buying, what I'm trying to get more of. So let's start trading. Sign up to BTCC. I'll see you soon. Let's go. Now you're aware. Peace.